In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag someone on LinkedIn through Hootsuite. Let's begin our journey on mastering the art of efficient social media management, specifically focusing on elevating your LinkedIn engagement by tagging individuals or entities through the Hootsuite platform. This skill is particularly useful for networking, boosting the visibility of your posts, and enhancing engagement rates by directly involving key players or partners in your content. First things first, navigate to Hootsuite by entering the URL in your browser or simply searching for Hootsuite on your preferred search engine. The homepage of this robust social media management tool is where your journey begins. Upon arriving at the Hootsuite homepage, you'll notice a login button prominently displayed. Click on this to proceed. Remember, the journey of 1,000 posts begins with a single login. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This should be the email associated with your Hootsuite account, the one you initially used to sign up. This step is crucial for verification and ensuring the security of your account. After entering your email, it's time to key in your password. Make sure it's entered correctly to avoid any login delays that could slow down your social media strategy execution. Once you've inputted your password, hit the sign in button to access your Hootsuite dashboard. The beauty of technology and secure accounts. Now firmly within the Hootsuite ecosystem, your next move is to navigate to the Create a Post section. This is your creative playground where all the magic happens, from drafting compelling content to tagging relevant personalities or organizations to amplify your message. In this dynamic space, start by clicking on Select a Social Account. For the purpose of our guide, we're focusing on LinkedIn, so you might be tempted to search for an Instagram account if you're simultaneously managing multiple platforms. However, remember, our goal today is LinkedIn engagement. Select your LinkedIn account from the list of available social media accounts. This step is akin to choosing the right tool for the job, in this case, the platform where your crafted message will make its mark. Now, the creative part begins. As you write your caption brimming with insight, wit, or valuable information, remember that engaging your audience often involves direct interaction. To tag someone, simply type an @ followed by their name. This action sends a notification to the tagged individual, drawing their attention and potentially the attention of their followers to your post. It's an effortlessly clever way to increase your post's visibility and engagement. When typing out the name after the @ symbol, give it a moment. Hootsuite will begin suggesting names based on your typed letters, allowing you to tag the intended party accurately. This feature ensures you connect with the right profiles, especially useful when dealing with common names or aiming to tag companies. And there you have it. With those steps, you've just expanded the reach of your LinkedIn content through strategic tagging, all within the convenient ecosystem of Hootsuite. This simple yet impactful tactic can significantly enhance your networking and engagement efforts on LinkedIn. Remember, the key to a successful post goes beyond just tagging. Your content should be insightful, engaging, and provide value to your audience. Combine this with strategic tagging, and you've got yourself a recipe for LinkedIn success. Thank you for walking through these steps with me. Exploring the functionalities of Hootsuite to manage your LinkedIn presence not only streamlines your social media tasks, but also opens up numerous opportunities for enhancing online interactions and visibility. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch as your LinkedIn network blossoms thanks to your newfound tagging prowess. Until next time, keep leveraging these tools to their fullest and make your social media management as efficient and impactful as possible. Happy tagging!